Well, hello everyone. My name is Shannon. I'm from Vibresonate and I'm here to introduce my new wellness app. Now, we've had it going for about a year and it's been available, but we're really doing the launch now. I have some great things in store for you, and I'm going to take the next few videos to give you an overview of what this app is. Today, we're just going to go into a little bit of an overview of what the app is about. So stay tuned. So here we have the Vibresonate Wellness App. Now, this can be installed in any device, whether it's iOS, it's Android, tablet, or phone. Most people are installing it in the phone, and it's not available in the app stores. This is what we call a PWA app, and it gives us way more control about what's in the app and what we can market on it. And here's the clincher. When it comes to advertising, it's very difficult to advertise a wellness app. So that's why we're bringing you these videos to help you go through what this app is about and what's in it. The reason why it's so difficult is we are banned from actually advertising the app. That doesn't mean we can't video about it, so we are showing you a little bit about it. Now, right now I have this on my browser, decompressed in a mode that looks most like what you would get in your phone if you were to install it. In order to install it, it's pretty simple. You're only installing the icon. Now, if you've never installed it before, you'll get this little pop-up called Download App. You're not downloading the full app. You're just downloading the icon so you have a quick link to the app. It doesn't change the way it looks. It just changes your ability to access it. Now, the cool thing is we don't track you. There's nothing to do with that. We believe this stuff is very much for your privacy, and I have a little bit of a privacy information there that you can connect in and take a look. You will see a program on there. That's a current program we're running. It starts every few months, and it will be available. It includes a ton of different stuff within the app, and you can read more and learn more about it when you get into the app. Both of them take you through the same steps to get started on the pro version of the app. There is a free and pro version. Of course, you probably get 90% more content if you install the pro version. And as you see up top around here, pro versions start at $29.95 a month. Now, $29.95 a month, that is Canadian. And there are yearly packages, there are weekly packages. You just have to determine what is best for your budget. Now, as you can see, there's a few other things in here. Yes, you can have a free consultation. There's appointments. You're not required to be a client of ours or anything. Appointments are only available if you need it. And you do get a discounted appointment rate if you were an app member. There's testimonies and a little bit about the app in there. So most of the programs and the self-care stuff that's in the app is under the hub. And I'm just going to give you a quick brief overview of what's in the hub, but we're going to go into more detail in further videos. So we have wellness tools and some many other tools. We have live group sessions, and those are really cool because when we host them, you don't have to have your face on the camera, but we will have them available for people to work on stuff together. And you go in with the thought process that you're working on yourself, but you get the added bonus that after the group session, we get a sharing time and you get to know other people that are involved in the app. So it's pretty cool. There's programs and courses, and we're adding more all the time. We have contests, and of course, the other category has other things that just don't fit anywhere else. We have a little bit of life and business coaching because I do a little bit of that on the side. And we have a healthy habits tracker. We have books, supplements, and more, podcasts and live streams. And we're going to get into all the different things in those categories over the next few videos. So do check out the channel. These are coming as fast as I can upload them for you. So have fun. And we have a community. This is pretty cool. It's not a Facebook, but it is a community where you can meet other people on the app. You can request advice. We're trying to get people to start using that a little bit more. So far, I've been using it to announce things that are coming up, but it's available for anyone to post anything on, and people can interact on the app with it. It is available for you guys to use. And then we have a message center. We can have chat groups. We can have different feeds in there. And you know what? It's available to everyone. You don't have to just use it to reach out to the admin. You can use it to reach out to others and start conversations with. So there you go. So there you have it. There is a quick, brief overview of the app. And as I said, we're going to go into a little bit more over the next few videos so you can get a really rounded idea of what this app is about. I think you're going to be impressed. As we said, we had free and pro versions. You will get a little bit to try it out with the free on it. But honestly, 90% of my content isn't behind the paid wall just because it takes so much work to put it out. And do check it out. Prices are in Canadian. So if you're coming to us from United States, you get a really good deal. And guess what? There's no tariffs on it. So no worries. Anyhow, we'd love to see you there. We'd love to see you in the community, and check out the upcoming videos. See you soon.